Hello.
Hello.
This call is now being recorded.
Good evening, Deepika.
Good evening.
How are you?
I'm fine. Thanks for asking. What about you?
I'm also doing good. Thank you for asking.
Welcome.
And Deepika, which topic we are going to discuss today?
Animals?
Animals. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So first, tell me, do you like animals?
Yes.
Okay. And which is your favorite animal?
Like wild or pets?
You can say both.
As pet, I love dogs.
Okay.
As wild, like it would be rabbits.
Oh, rabbit.
Yes.
But it is not a wild animal.
But
It's
I loved it. Wild rabbit also there. It would be very big in size.
okay.
Okay.
So apart from rabbit, any other animal that you like? Any other wild animals?
As I like cheetah.
Okay. Nice. And can you tell me about whatever you know about animals?
Animals is living in the forest,
Yeah.
and its work is to searching of food, water. Yes, and it can't talk, but it will hunt other animals for food.
Yeah. Some animals hunt other animals. It's a chain.
Yes,
If you
like food chain.
yeah, food chain. It's a chain. Right. And what other thing? Any other thing that you know about animals?
Animals? No.
Okay. So tell me that if you could have any wild animal as a pet animal, which animal
Oh,
would you like to have?
it would be lion or tiger.
Oh, okay.
But there is not allowance for the tiger as pet animal because it is our national animal. Yes.
So why would you like to have a tiger as a pet animal?
Because it would be nice and color and it would be elaborate size and I loved its color
Okay.
and so.
Right. That's nice. So tell me any pet animal that you feel or that you want to have.
Yeah, that is pet animal. I have a dog.
Oh, you have it.
Yes,
Okay.
but nowadays it is not with me.
Oh.
Yeah,
Then where it is?
it is. My father gave it to another person. Yes, so I
Oh, so they are taking
don't
care
have
of it?
any pet animals.
Okay. So those people are taking care of your animal or your dog?
Now, it would be nowadays in Madras.
Okay. So any any animal that you want to have?
It would be also dog because I fond of dogs.
Okay. Nice. So yeah, I think animals are great creatures, right?
Yes.
So what do you want to say about animals? How
About
Like how it makes a change in our society, in our world. Sorry, in our world.
In the world, hmm, as taking the example of an elephant, whenever it is eating some other fruits, it will put in seed, it will grow and it would be a forest. So the elephant is use of the forest, and if it is the tree have grown, we have rain.
Yeah.
So it is also important for our country or world.
Yeah, and I think animals makes the world more beautiful, right?
Yes, like greener.
Yeah. There are so many colorful animals, different shapes and sizes of animals. So they just make the world more beautiful, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And what do you think? How we can protect the animals?
Like whenever we are going to the forest as tour or just for entertainment, we should not use any plastic things.
Okay.
Unless if we use,
Okay.
we don't put it on the ground or as the forest floor.
Okay.
And it can help the animals to eating the plastics and dying the animals.
Yeah.
It cannot be proved as the death of animals. Yes, and like deforestation by the humans requirements.
Yeah.
And the exotic trade of trees.
Yeah.
Yes, and human requirement as hunting.
Yeah. Right.
And decorating things as in our home, like the shepherd loves the skin, trunk, everything.
Okay. So I think you took some of the greatest and some of the most important points, that we should not deforestize and we should not cut the trees and the plants.
Yes.
We are destroying the animals' home in a way by cutting those trees, and
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because if we are cutting the trees, there are no rain in the forest, so the animals did not got any water.
And
it also died without water.
Yeah. And animals need plants and trees, surrounded, they need
oxygen.
environment.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's very important to take care of the animals that we have and preserve them.
Yes.
So, can you tell me, name any 2-3 animals that you think it looks very cute and it has a very cute appearance?
Cutest means cutest animal like pets?
Yeah, it can be any animal.
It is rabbit, dog, cat.
Okay.
Then rabbit.
Yeah. And don't you think that panda also looks very cute?
Yes, I forget it. I like pandas.
Yeah.
I've seen.
Yeah, they look very cute, right?
Yes.
So, Deepika, tell me any animal that you feel that it doesn't look that good and looks weird or scary.
Like reptiles?
Crocodiles?
Yes.
Yeah.
Crocodiles. Like snakes?
Right.
Snakes?
Yeah, that's right.
Next, as in our every home, a reptile is there called lizard. I hate it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and I forget it.
Yeah, I think these are, and sometimes I feel octopus also looks very weird.
Yes.
right? Octopus,
Yes, yes.
crocodile, snakes, and lizard. Do you know what is lizard?
Yes.
Yeah, they also look very like.
I told the name of that because I hate it. Every home has it.
Yeah, it looks so weird, no? It just if we like, I'm thinking about it, it looks so weird.
Yes.
Yeah, it looks very weird. Yes, it looks like out. Yeah. So, can you name some animals which you find they are very good looking? Let's do.
Monkeys.
Sorry?
Sorry? It's monkeys. Like it has the smooth hair.
Okay.
Okay. And tails. Like pandas. Bear.
Okay.
Okay. And the first time was rabbit and panda.
Rabbit and panda.
Yes, because they are smooth skin. Next, the badness, it would be the sparrow.
Okay. Nice. And so, do you want to ask any question about animals?
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I do like animals.
Like the types?
Sorry?
Which type do you like?
I like every animal, even though I feel that snake looks very weird and crocodile looks weird, but I will just maintain a distance. But I like them also because they are animals and they also have a life, right?
Yes.
So I like every animal, and most of if you will ask like specific, then I would say horse and elephants, giraffe. These animals I like.
No. Do you like bees?
Yeah, I like these.
Yeah. And do you have any pet animals with you?
Yeah, I have a cat.
Oh.
Yeah,
Which color it is?
it's orange.
Orange.
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah.
Do you like it very much? I like dog or cats.
I think I like both, but I never had a dog. I just have a cat.
Oh.
Yeah.
And cat is also the cutest animal.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. And do you went to the zoo and visit all these animals?
No, I've never went to a zoo.
Oh.
Yeah.
But when I went to the zoo, there is nothing like tiger or lion or bear, pandas, everything. But I saw crocodile, rhinoceros. Oh no, crocodiles and snakes used to be lots of it.
Oh, crocodile and snake.
Yes, in one cave there are many snakes.
Okay. So,
Yeah, and
and like, can you tell me any animal which you feel it looks very innocent?
innocent. For only the face, like face impressions, it is monkeys. But whenever we going near, it will scratch us.
Yeah. It's monkeys are very naughty.
Yes, but it is also innocent as face impressions.
Yeah, it looks like cute.
Yes.
Hmm.
I thought it has the longest nail.
Yeah, I think. And do you have any other question for me, Deepika?
About animals. Do you like rats?
No, I don't like rats.
No one likes rats.
Yeah.
But I asked you simply.
Yeah. Some people like it. Some people find it cute. You know, people have different choices.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I think we had a good conversation, and we can hang up the call.
Okay.
Yeah, right.
Nice conversation with you.
Thank you. It was a great conversation with you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Have a nice day.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Bye. Thank you.
Welcome.